Hello everyone. In the previous lesson, we learned how to enable a guide mode uh, in kernel. In this lesson, we will learn more about how to use a guide scripts in ANDRAX. Okay, we can access a guide attack panel in the drawer in this button, a guide attack. Here we have a lot of templates, per definite templates to use. We have Windows, uh, Mac, and Linux templates for our test. We can with this box we can edit and launcher to test scripts. In this lesson, we will use this simple command for a Linux machine. Okay, to run fast, I will edit some delay here, and I will change this command to say something to the user. Let's write something like "fucked by Andrax." Okay, let's do it. These scripts I write in Rubber script, a simple script language to Rubber Duck Ethic. Okay, so command called by Ethic. So I had I set a big time to delay here to see the external windows, the fast commands executed in the machine, and I will decrease this delay to we see the auto close of the window. And okay, now with this simple answer, we are done.